So your accountant has said, well done, you've made some profits, and you're sitting there wondering, well, where is the money? Where's the cash at the bank? I don't see it. Well, there could be many reasons why this is occurring, but the good news is that you've made some profits, so that you're obviously doing some things well in the business, but we need to understand why the money isn't hitting the bank account. And there's a universal law or principle that underpins all of this. That law is called Parkinson's Law. What this means is that humans naturally absorb the available resources they have around them for their survival. So the more resources we have, naturally we're going to absorb those resources to enhance our lifestyle. When it comes to our cash and the management of money through our business, the same principles apply. So generally, when we see more money hit an account and that money is sitting there available and we have access to it, then we are more inclined to absorb or spend that money generally back into the business, right? To give the win. So how do we fix this so that we are realizing actual profits hitting the bank account? So if you think about this analogy of the toolbox, a tradie's toolbox has drawers in the toolbox. Each drawer houses tools for a specific purpose for their role as the tradesperson. We take the same analogy and we apply it to our business in terms of how we manage the cash. So we set up a series of bank accounts, and each bank account has a specific purpose for the monies that's in that account. And we set up a series of bank accounts so that we've got drawers in our toolbox that have a purpose for operating expenses, that's a given, have a purpose for paying yourself as the owner, for working in the business, an account for paying taxes, and an account for paying profits. And this is how we manage the flow of money through our business so that we are now physically realizing profits hitting the bank account. And you're saying, well, that's okay, and we've got various bank accounts, but how do we sort of counteract the universal law taking place? Well, it's a good question. I'm glad you asked. So when we talk about a profit account and a tax account, the two accounts that we need to stay away from, well, we set those up elsewhere so that we limit our access to those monies, and we only access them on a timely basis. So with that also comes, back to our conversation with the accountant. The next challenge that we've got is that your accountant has said to you, well done, you have made some profits. And the next problem is that we are probably on the back foot already in terms of planning for taxation as well. And when we go to our bank account to pay taxes on the profits we've made, we realise that there's no money there to deal with. So hence why our cash management system in our business is so vital now, to be able to know and understand how our business is performing from a profit point of view, physically, literally, as well as know and understanding how position on tax so that we can proactively plan for tax and proactively have our taxes paid to the big man when the time comes. So with that, if you want to know a bit more about cash management systems in your business so that we can say to the accountant, yeah, you beauty, I've made profits and I can see it, well then let me know. Hit me up with the DMs and we'll work together and get some of that stuff installed into your business. As a business owner, it gives you much better peace of mind when you can look at bank accounts and know exactly how your business is travelling, other than waiting for the accountant to call you on the back foot once again to say, hey, look, let's do some things in regards to tax. You want to see money in the bank in terms of money that you keep, in terms of profit, not the other way around. So with that, guys, hope that was helpful for you today. And if you want some more information, just hit me up and we'll talk to you soon. Catch you later.